The universe is speaking to you today. It wants you to know that your dreams and wishes matter. The universe is working hard to make them come true. Stay positive and believe in yourself. Trust that the universe has a plan for you and is guiding you toward happiness and success. Keep your heart open and be ready to receive wonderful things. Your desires will become reality, filling your life with joy. Stay hopeful and watch how the universe helps your dreams unfold. The universe has chosen you to hear this message. It's important to be cautious, as there may be challenges nearby. Your neighbor might be planning to cause you harm. They may have tried to break into your home, but don't worry, the universe is here to protect you. You are surrounded by its divine energy. Their actions may come from misunderstandings or personal conflicts. They might think that harming you will solve their problems, but their intentions are misguided. The universe sees their harmful plans and is stepping in to keep you safe. You are under its protection, so whatever your neighbor intends, they will not succeed. The universe is watching over you, ensuring your well-being. Conflicts often arise from misunderstandings. Your neighbor's desire to harm you likely comes from miscommunication. They have created a false idea about you, believing you are their enemy. But the universe will help clear up these misunderstandings. Soon, your neighbor will realize their mistake. They will gain clarity about their wrong actions and understand that their plan to harm you was based on false assumptions. Once they see the truth, they will come to you to ask for forgiveness. They will recognize that their conflict with you was unnecessary and hurtful. The universe is guiding the situation toward a peaceful resolution. Your neighbor will change their attitude, and the conflict will be resolved. You won't have to worry about any harm coming your way. Instead, there will be mutual respect and understanding between you. This change will lead to a better relationship. Your neighbor will see you for who you truly are, a kind person who deserves respect, not enmity. After the conflict is resolved, you will feel safe in your home again. The universe's divine energy is powerful and protective. It ensures that those with good intentions and pure hearts are safeguarded. You are one of those genuine souls, and the universe recognizes that. It will always protect you and ensure your well-being. As stress fades from your life, you will feel more positivity. The universe is sending blessings your way, bringing you peace and happiness. You deserve to be surrounded by friends who value and appreciate you. Remember, the universe is always watching over you. It sees your struggles and steps in to protect you when needed. Trust in the universe's divine energy, know that you are never alone. The change in your neighbor's attitude shows the power of forgiveness and understanding. Embrace this transformation and be open to building a positive relationship with them. The universe can turn negative situations into opportunities for growth and healing. You are an important part of the universe, deserving the best. Believe in the magic that surrounds you. The universe is sending blessings to ensure you are surrounded by positivity and genuine people who care for you. Trust in the universe and its divine energy to guide and protect you always. When you feel ready, say Amen to claim the universe's blessings.